Let's dive into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence with a focus on its transformative effects on everyday industries. From our phones to our workplaces, AI is reshaping industries in ways we'd only imagined. Our homes echo with voices of AI assistants that manage our schedules, control our lights, and even tell us jokes. In manufacturing, AI-driven robots boost efficiency, crafting products with precision and speed. Healthcare sees AI in diagnostics, predicting diseases before they manifest, ensuring a healthier tomorrow. Finance isn't left behind. AI analyzes market patterns, helping investors make informed choices. On the road, AI doesn't just assist, it drives, ensuring safer journeys for all. AI potential is vast, and its journey just beginning. Thank you for watching. Join Edumind as we explore this digital frontier. Like, share, and subscribe for more insights. See you again in our next video. Until then, stay safe.